Hello, children. I am number 31. 3 and 1 together make number 31.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 31. This is number 31. 3 and 1 together make number 31. The spelling of number 31 is Thirtyone, 31. It comes after 30 and before 32. Now, children, you count them one by one, slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 31 forks. Very good, children.
When we add S, we get new sounds, like school, skirt, snake.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn S blend words. Let us read. Scarf, school, scooty. Sky, skip, skirt. Snake, snow, snail. These are S blend words. Very good, children.
Let's read S blend words. SP, spill. ST, stick. SW, swim.
Welcome back, children. Today we will read S blend words. Spill, spoon, spider, stick, stamp, stool, swim, swing, sweet. Very good, children. See you. Hello, everyone. Today I will tell you about famous people of India. Mahatma Gandhi was a freedom fighter. He helped India get freedom. Jawaharlal Nehru was also a freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of India. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. He worked for our country and became President of India. Amitabh Bachchan is a famous actor. He has acted in many movies and is loved by people. Lata Mangeshkar was a great singer. She sang many beautiful songs and is loved by everyone. Welcome back, children. These are famous people of India. Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru were freedom fighters. APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist and also became the President of India. Amitabh Bachchan is a well-known actor. Lata Mangeshkar was a wonderful singer. They all made our country proud in different ways. Very good, children. Hello, everyone. Today I will tell you about some famous people of India. A.R. Rahman is a music director. He makes beautiful music. M. Balamurali Krishna was a great vocalist. He sang classical songs. P.V. Sindhu is a badminton player. She has won many medals. Vishwanathan Anand is a chess player. He is very smart and skilled. Sachin Tendulkar is a cricket player. He is one of the best players. Welcome back, children. These are famous people of India. A.R. Rahman is a music director who creates wonderful music. M. Balamurali Krishna was a great singer of classical music. P.V. Sindhu is a famous badminton player who has won many medals. Vishwanathan Anand is a great chess player. Sachin Tendulkar is a famous cricket player and is loved by many people. They all made our country proud. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 87. 8 and 7 together make number 87. Hello, children. I am number 88. 8 and 8 together make number 88.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 87 and 88. This is number 87 and 88. 8 and 7 together make number 87. The spelling of number 87 is Eighthyseven. 87. 8 and 8 together make number 88. The spelling of number 88 is Eighthyegt. 88. Now, children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 87 fishes and 88 hats. Very good, children.
Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. On this day, we remember when our country got its constitution.
Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. On this day, we celebrate our freedom. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. This day is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great leader.
Welcome back, children. These are the national festivals of India. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October to remember Mahatma Gandhi. Very good, children. See you.
Hello, children. I am number 32. 3 and 2 together make number 32.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 32. This is number 32. 3 and 2 together make number 32. The spelling of number 32 is THIRTYTWO, 32. It comes after 31 and before 33. Now, children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 32 balls. Very good, children.
When we add R, we make new sounds. Brick! Crow! Ow!
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn R blend words. Let us read. Broom, brick, brush. Crow, cry, crab. Drum, draw, drop. These are blend words. Very good, children. See.
Let us read our blend words. Fur, frog. Purr, pram. Grr, green.
Welcome back, children. Today we will read our blend words. Frog, fruit, frock. Pram, pray present. Green grass, granny. Very good, children.
Hello, everyone. Today I will tell you about some special days we celebrate with our family and at school.
Birthday is a very happy day. We celebrate it with cake, gifts, and our loved ones.
Mother's Day is a special day to show love and thank our mothers for all they do.
Father's Day is a day to show love and respect to our fathers. Grandparents' Day is a day to show love and care for our grandparents.
I love you, Grandpa and Grandma.
We love you too, beta.
You are our sunshine.
Sports Day is a day for games and races.
Friendship Day is a day to celebrate our friends.
Happy Friendship Day.
Teachers' Day is a day to thank our teachers. Children's Day is a special day for all children.
Annual Day is a fun day with music, dance, and performances. It's a time for everyone to celebrate and enjoy the show.
Welcome back, children. These are special days we celebrate with our family. Birthday is celebrated with joy, cake, and gifts. Mother's Day and Father's Day are celebrated to thank our parents. Grandparents' Day is celebrated to show love to our grandparents. In school, we celebrate Annual Day, Sports Day, Friendship Day, Children's Day, and Teachers' Day with joy and fun. Very good, children.